and peaceful out here. You should always try to get out into the wilds of Wenatchee or the wilds of wherever. Get some peace and quiet. Just be still and listen and look at nature. See what you can see and see what you can hear. If you're not careful, you run into a tree. Stop paddling. Uh-oh. I must get myself back out into the middle. That bird that you can hear, if you can see it, it's in the very top of this tree. That is a red-winged blackbird.
Hey, something jumped right there.
More humans. Yep. There's that red-winged blackbird. We're getting closer to it. All right. I better start paddling again. Just remember, get out into the wilds. Even if it's a walk in the park.